Getting some breaking updates coming in right now, viewers. Customers were made to sign a deadly undertaking form. The undertaking form read that the game zone is not responsible for any accident, and it also asked customers and gamers to sign the document saying that they would accept all inherent dangers and hazards. The undertaking also has said that the customers would fully accept the possibility of serious bodily injuries. So that is the big breaking coming in, that what kind of undertaking form is it? Undertaking form says, I freely accept all inherent dangers, hazards, I fully accept possibilities of serious bodily injuries, possibilities of paralysis, death resulting from there. I voluntarily assume all risk of loss, damage and inquiry. I voluntarily assume all risks including death. I agree to pay for any damage to equipment. I agree to pay for any damage to facilities. What I'm reading out right now is the undertaking which has been signed by the customers. I just want to go across to Gopi, who's joining us right now. Gopi, I read out what the undertaking says, where it says, I accept all inherent dangers and hazard and serious bodily injuries. This is a deadly undertaking which has been customers had to sign. There's so many children who have lost their lives. So many children went there to play games, and there were serious lapses in when it comes to security and safety standards. Take us to the latest details we're learning of.
Well, it indeed is a ghastly accident that has happened where so many children have lost their life. And before entering here, yes, they had to sign that undertaking which Republic could access. Talking about the fire safety concerns, they did have the equipments, but they were not functional. While also talking about how well equipped are people around to use those fire equipments. We happened to speak to one of the fire officials who said that no, there was nobody here at that time of the fire incident who could actually use the fire equipment. So there's also another point which becomes important, that even if the equipments are there and even if they are functional, we need to make sure that people around, or at least one or two of them, are skilled enough to use those equipments, though here the equipments were not in the functional condition. Back to you.
Well, thank you, Gopi, for getting us all those details coming in. We are tracking the Rajkot fire tragedy very closely here at Republic TV, and we continue investigation into what really happened and were there serious security lapses which led to this incident.